2 hours away from Kigali lies the Ruhango Hospital. Here I am going to witness a drop down from the drone. Dr. Usabyeneza is showing me the hospital. How are they working with Zipline, and are those drones life-saving?
From we make order until we get blood, it takes between 15 to 20 minutes, maximum 20 minutes.
Can you tell us what kind of hospital this is?
Yeah, this is public hospital. It's located in the southern province of Rwanda. The capacity for this hospital is for 360 beds. Mainly the patients we are serving, they are farmers. Actually, we most of the time need blood in maternity when there is what we call postpartum hemorrhage, or when there is bleeding after abortion. 2, for internal medicine, mostly for patients who are having malaria, who are in anemic form. 3, post-accident patient who bled out and who need to be transfused. Those are main conditions that we need to transfusion.
You talked about postpartum bleeding.
Yes.
Can you tell us the severity of that condition?
Sometimes the mother may give birth and bleed because of different conditions, because of different reasons. The biggest severity of that condition is death. So you have to act. You stop the bleeding first, but also you do blood replacement. That's what we do. So in previous condition, we could even stop bleeding, but get challenged to get blood replacement. So the severe severity is death. Yeah, without blood, no life. We are operating with Zipline. It's now more than 1 year operating with Zipline. And the service that is serving for us, it's blood delivering to the patient.
How often do you use Zipline?
Every day. We can't miss patient to transfuse. Seeing the hospital like this, every day we do transfuse. Imagine if you are having somebody who is bleeding. Imagine if you are having somebody who really need the transfusion, and we used to pick blood at Kigali. So from here to Kigali, it took us 2 hours. Imagine taking 4 hours round the trip, getting transfusion. That was what used to be a challenge. Imagine having a patient, and you need he or she need to be transfused, and you know in your mind that maybe you are out of stock, and you know that to get blood, it will need you round the trip. It will take 4 hours. You really get somehow not being stable. So if the solution like that, saying that we'll be having blood in 10 to 15 minutes, it was really very exciting. So it was like we are going to work in a very good condition, so that at any type of emergency we will be having blood.